Hi, my name is Miranda Larson, and today we are going to be making avocado tuna salad. For the base of your salad, you will need tuna, a red onion, 2 avocados, and cilantro. So we are going to be using 20 ounces of canned tuna in water. So you can start by opening up the tuna, draining it, and then adding it to your bowl. Next, we will be chopping up a 1/4 cup of red onion, and you can use any type of onion you want, but today we are going to be using red onion. A nice thing about this recipe is a lot of these ingredients are pantry staple items, so most likely you would just need to get the avocados, the onion, and the cilantro. Next, we will halve and pit and dice 2 avocados. They're high in calories, but they're a really good healthy fat source, but they also help to keep us full and satisfied for that reason. Let's chop a 1/4 cup of cilantro and add that to your bowl. Next, we're gonna get started on the base of our salad dressing. So you will need a mason jar, or you can use just a regular bowl or measuring cup to mix the salad dressing in. 1/2 cup of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. You will need about 2.5 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, and salt and pepper to taste. Next, you're gonna want to put the lid back on, shake it up, and then pour it in, or if you're using a bowl, go ahead and whisk it and then pour it into your bowl. All said and done, this should yield about 6 servings.